The STRAUSS Metal Ltd Incorporated has been manufacturing and distributing its own products, fabricating forms and sheet metal for more than 27 years. Since its founding, it has been continuously present in the Hungarian market as the leading manufacturer of safes in Hungary. More than 700 different kinds of products are sold under the STRAUSS Metal brand. The products are 100% Hungarian-made and are self-developed, pristinely manufactured using high-tech technology and fully compliant with European standards of quality. The STRAUSS metal safes are popular throughout the country and abroad, as proven by its robust sales history. As specialists regarding the security technology, the product portfolio is comprehensively suited for retail, corporate and bank security, featuring money handling equipment, safes, and security measures regarding the safekeeping and preservation of personal valuables. Our organization recently installed a Japanese-manufactured Mazik Faber laser cutting machine and an up-down bend bending machine. Due to the two acquisitions, STRAUSS Metal is now able to effectively produce European levels of quality in the field of sheet metal technology, which has made our organization a prominent market leader throughout Hungary. STRAUSS Metal Ltd's real estate measures 4,700 square meters and its production capacity includes 110 metalworking machines, most of which support CAD/CAM technology.
Készült Magyarország kormánya megbízásából az Európai Unió támogatásával.